Now, MobiKwik's board has approved the plans for an IPO. Now, for this, the company is planning to raise about 880 crore rupees through the offer. Meanwhile, Invesco has also raised Swiggy's valuation for the second time to $8.3 billion. My colleague joins in with more. Rish, over to you for this.
That's right, Pragati. Two very important pieces of news coming from the startup ecosystem today. We have MobiKwik that has filed a resolution to go for an IPO. This time, it's a much smaller IPO than the first time that they applied for one. The first time they applied was in 2021, when a lot of startups were going public. You had Paytm, Zomato, Nykaa, the first wave of Indian startups going public. And after Paytm had that debut, which was frankly quite a disaster for a lot of startups that were going public at the time. MobiKwik decided to delay its IPO, and now they're again going for one. That one was a 1900 crore rupee IPO. This one around a 880 crore rupee IPO, so very downsized. The founders have maintained that this time they're going for the IPO. Whenever they go for an IPO, it will be due to their balance sheet health. So this time they have been profitable for about 3 straight quarters. Though the profits have been slim, but they've been about a single crore digit that they're posting. But a much more sensibly priced IPO, I think we can expect after we've seen Ola Electric and FirstCry also. So a lot of new age and tech IPOs coming through. On the Swiggy bit, yes, Invesco has, for the second time in a row, hiked Swiggy's valuation. It was earlier about 7.85 billion. Now it's 8.3 billion. And again, just for comparison, you have a listed peer in Zomato. Zomato's valuation is about 11.3 billion as of today's closing. So still quite a bridge there. And Swiggy is also IPO bound. So this sort of uptick also reflects the fact that Swiggy's core food delivery business has also turned profitable as of May last year. So we can expect more upticks coming in till the time that they file for their DRHP.
Rish, those are indeed very valuable insights. While you're at it, I request you to stay with us for a couple of more minutes, because we're getting a sense that Myntra and Sugar Cosmetics have also posted their FY23 earnings. So what exactly are you picking up on that front from now on?
That's correct. Two very important beauty and personal care players have also posted their FY23 earnings. I have Sugar's numbers right in front of me. Revenue has risen about 2x to 420 crores. And what is impressive that it has come off the back of very controlled losses. So they posted about a 76 crore loss in FY22 that has still stayed at about 75 crores for FY23. So this has been a very good year, considering that they spent a lot on advertising and promotions. They bought on actors like Tamanna Bhatia to advertise for them. So though there was a big jump in the advertising and promotional costs as well as the employee benefit expenses, they've done well to control costs. On Myntra, however, revenue has risen about 25% to around 4,375 crores, but losses have also widened to about 782 crores from about 600 crores in FY23. So a bit of a disappointment there from Myntra. They are Walmart and Flipkart backed, so there is no sort of concern on its ability to continue operations, but they do still seem quite a way away from a path to profitability.